Scheduling notes, vehicle line scheduling plan, week of June 5th to June 9th, folks. So here's your scheduling plan. Check your emails this week. If you've got an Expedition, if you got on order a 23 Ford F-150, a 23 Mach-E, so that's the electric vehicle at Ford, the electric SUV, Mustang Mach-E, but don't confuse it, not a Mustang, very much an SUV, Super Duty, or a Transit. You don't need to check your emails unless you're priority 1 or 2. If you're a priority 1 or 2, you can get scheduled at any time. But if you're a priority 10 to 19, you don't need to check your emails because they're not scheduling the Ford Bronco, Bronco Sport, Econoline, Edge, Escape, Explorer, Maverick, Medium Truck, Mustang, Ranger, Transit Connect van and wagon. And for Lincoln, no Aviator scheduling, no Corsair scheduling, no Nautilus or Navigator scheduling. However, I have seen in the past, if you're a priority 1 or 2, you got scheduled on a week where there's no Maverick scheduling, but you're a priority 1. So you got picked out. Now, am I missing any questions before we sign off for the evening?
No.
And you don't mind if we wait? Hopefully the community doesn't mind if we wait for next week to talk about how to save thousands on a Ford.
As you wish.
Yeah, we'll save that for next week, folks. We're going to cover how you can save thousands at Ford because, well, we've got kind of interesting news. You've got, X, Y, Z, all the plans coming for the Mach-E as well as the Ford F-150 Lightning. Some really cool news there. So finally some rebates on these machines. And what's more, I'll also bring some F-150 Lightning news because I had a little service vehicle soon light come up in our Lightning. But it's really cool because the Ford Pass tells me what is wrong. It says it's either A or B, so really cool. Make sure you've got Ford Pass. If you've got a Ford, that's a free. Go online and just download Ford Pass. It's free. It gives you information on your vehicle. Super helpful. So we'll talk more about that next week. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. We good for questions for the evening?
Yeah.
Take care, everybody. Until next time, we wish you all more cars and more power. Take care, folks.
Bye.